Okay.
We will choose something very great and very glad.
Mm-hmm.
We will do the pigs.
Pigs?
Swiss pick. Pick a pig. Which one pig you want? I like this and this.
Okay, 2 pigs. 4 pigs.
Okay, we will start.
Okay.
Okay, Swiss.
Okay.
Now we can see.
Okay.
Over here.
Over there? Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
When they are asleep, they come from a castle.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There's something. We need to get down. We can't turn. Oh. We screw this. Screw this. Screw that.
Okay. It's
Screw
okay.
that. Oh. I see it.
Okay, ready? Okay.
My pick it off.
Oh, you okay, Surese? Okay. Surese, sit down, come.
Sit down. Sit down, Cerise.
Sit down, Surese, puppet show. Do puppet show. Do puppet show. Surese, you want to do puppet show? Okay, then sit down a little bit so we can do puppet show for you. Okay? Sit down a little bit so we do puppet show for you, Surese. Surese. Okay.
I just sit down.
Okay, then Suri, you do puppet show by yourself. You want to do puppet
Okay.
show? Okay, then Suri's do. Okay, ready? Okay, go.
There are more pigs left. Oh, there's one already. Okay.
Okay, go.
Once upon a time, they just lived for a castle and they sleep.
Yeah.
Not yet, Cerise. Not yet. Huh. You can twist
Oh,
it.
look, yeah.
And they're asleep and asleep. Their kids were playing in the castle and they said, wake up. Did the cat
Hello.
wake up?
Hello.
And the magical, they say, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And they go outside and see the troll was spinning. Spinning. And it caught the kids and flew them away. And click, click, Angry Bird. No. And the kids are very sad and just say help. And they just and they're sad for their mom and their dad. But they can't see about it.
Yeah.
When today they lost their kids and they find their kids.
Oh, yeah?
And they can't find their kids. If they're at the king's house or the queen's house. They can't look for the house inside. They was in a king's house. Now he found him. Now he found the kids. All the mine. The kids just gave them a card. And they happy. Cerise, can I do the show just like you? I'm waiting you.
Okay, let me stop, okay? We watch, okay?
No, not yet. It didn't say the end.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Oh, okay.
And the pigs were happy. The end.
Yay!